Hi guys, now we're going to be working on adding links into our Google Bitmoji classroom. What we're going to do is first off, find the links that you want to use into your classroom and see what kind of way do you want to present that to the students. For example, if you are looking for a poster such as this one, what you do is you are going to simply take a snippet of the poster that you may want. You make sure that you are cropping the poster to size. You are going to copy your poster or save it. If you want to save it for using it in another classroom, you may, or you can simply copy it. After you do that, you're going to go back to your presentation and you're going to paste it with Control V. And there you have it. Now you have a poster to go with your presentation. If you want to have maybe a book and you say I want to use this book or make it into a book, what you do is again you're going to snip it. After you snip your book or book cover, you're going to save it or copy it. Once you have a copy of your book, you're going to go back to the presentation and you're going to paste it. Now for the books, you need to size them to size. Make sure that they're small enough to fit into the bookcase, and there you have it. Now if you want to use a YouTube video, what you do is the same thing. You're going to take a snippet of the video. You're going to copy it, but first make sure you crop it so that it looks nice and neat. After you copy it, you're going to go back to your presentation and you're going to paste it. After you do that, you are going to place it inside of your board. It can be as small or as big as you want it, however you want to have it in there. Once you are done, that's all you do. And what you have to do for this is you have to create a screenshot of this. And what you're going to do first is you're going to get a file, download. You're going to select Scalable Vector Graphics. After you do that, you're going to have a file that looks like this, pretty large. You're going to take a snippet again of this whole view of your classroom. After you do the snippet view of your classroom, you're going to make sure that you save this snippet view of your classroom. Once you have it saved, you will go back to your presentation and you will add a new slide. Once you have this new slide, what you're going to do is change the background. You're going to find the image that you have created and place it as a background. Whenever you're done, you're gonna notice that on the last creation that you had, you are able to move all the pieces. That means that your students are gonna be doing the same thing. So what we just did is we locked the pieces in place by creating one whole image. And what we are going to do is add the links. In order to add the links, we're going to find a shape. And we're going to create shapes that are the size of the objects. For example, if I want a link for this one, I will create the rectangle. I will go back to where I have the link. I will copy that link and I will go to Insert Link. After I do that, I will paste my link here and now this has a link. I will go ahead and do that for all of the shapes. So I will make a link for this one as well. Now it's just a little bit smaller. I will go over here. Let's say I want to have this link again. I will select the same link. Again, I will go back to here to the insert the link. I will paste the link. Now I have this as a link. For YouTube videos, it is the same thing. You copy, you make the shape fit into the YouTube video, you link the video to the presentation, and now that you have all of these, what you are going to do is make sure that everything is transparent. And to do that, you will go here to the fill color and here, and you will use transparent for each one. After you do that, now whenever a student clicks on the link, they can automatically go to it if they click on it. And there you have it. Now you have the links for your classroom. And be sure to explore the link that we have there for the brain breaks and the active calming, because this site is really good and it has a lot of brain breaks for your students. Now you are ready to publish.